Hello and welcome to Connecticut Backcountry. I'm Gary.
And I'm Gary.
And today we're out at Patchogue State Forest, Mount Misery Campground, and we're going to make Thai peanut chicken.
He's going to make Thai peanut chicken. I'm eating.
I'm making it, he's eating it. So, let's get started. It's actually going to be 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. So there's 2 cups of water and a little bit more. The little bit more is because, yeah, I know. The little bit more is because the top doesn't actually sit tight on there, and water's going to evaporate as it cooks. And we want our rice to have all the water it needs. So there is 1 cup of rice inside here. I put the rice in the water, put it on heat, and I bring it to a boil. And then I transfer it to a simmer, very, very low simmer. Oil.
In the pan.
And keep the pan a little hot. When I'm cooking out in the woods, yeah, I was just looking over that way. I wasn't really looking at anything.
Oh, I thought you saw something.
No.
Like, well, squirrel.
When I'm cooking out in the woods, I like to pre-package everything. I plan my meals ahead of time. So I pre-package the chicken, pre-package the sauce, some of the broth. That way everything's ready to go and I don't have to deal with a lot of fussing.
It eliminates a lot of trash you're dragging into the woods with it.
It does. It eliminates a whole bunch of trash.
Take care of it home too, good.
Yep. And I pre-cut the chicken into slices, probably about 2.5 inches long and about 1/4 inch thick. The nice thing about pre-packaging your chicken is you don't actually have to touch it, so you don't have to worry about cross-contamination. See all the stuff stuck to the bottom?
Yep.
It's wonderful stuff that's sticking to the bottom.
Water will boil it out. It's a great day. Chilling, it's blue sky, sunshine.
All right, so I'm going to pull the chicken. I'm pulling the chicken out of the pan. Look at what? What? It's not cooked yet. We pull the chicken out of the pan, and we're going to cook our vegetables. All right. I'm going to let that cook down a little bit. I'm just going to cook off all the water in there. And grab some veggies. Nope. I don't like any of them better than any of them.
You have more green than that.
I do. Not on purpose.
Tastes good. Doesn't like the
I'm going to turn this on for a second.
Why?
I'm going to show what I'm doing. I'm just browning all the stuff in the pan. Smell it?
Smells like chicken.
Smells good though, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Smells real good.
I'm just cooking off the liquid in the pan, and I'm going to let it brown up a little bit because it adds a little bit of flavor. All right. A touch more oil. And in go our veggies. The chicken broth that I had actually browned up, transferring to the vegetables, and it's going to taste wonderful. We're just going to cook these up until they soften. Nope. Stay in the pan. Yeah. Not supposed to be any warmer than this today.
February, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't beat this.
No.
I take this every day. Every day of February, that is, I should say.
Got a jumper. Got a jumper, he's down there. Deglazes the pan.
Gonna add a couple ounces of chicken broth to deglaze the pan. Yep. Basically all we're doing is taking all the flavor from everything that cooked down to the bottom and breaking it loose.
That's what called deglazing is called.
Kind of what deglazing is called. That's what I know it is, at least. And it helps clean the pan too.
Yeah. Always good to clean a pan with chicken broth.
Well, it helps get all the stuck bits off. And now we're going to actually... No, it's still doing this thing. Yeah, it goes off on its own. So now we're going to add the peanut sauce. And I don't need everything I made, so I'm actually not going to add everything I made. We're going to bring it up to a little bit of a simmer.
Simmer on.
And then we're going to add the chicken.
And pour it over rice.
And then put it over rice. Yes. No, I'll take that.
Just pan it up to you and back down.
That's getting it all. We have more stuff than we have pan. Next time we use a bigger pan.
Okay.
It's fine. It's still recording. So we bring this back to a simmer and we let it simmer for a couple minutes, about 10, and then we eat. All we're looking to do is thicken it up. Bum, 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 bum. Boiling. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Breeze off the back of my neck.
Oh, here.
All
right, cool. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
For sure.
Let's put some dinner. Lunch. It's hot.
I hope so.
Good.
Is it good though? Take more. I don't want to bring it home. I'm going to sit down.
I don't know how you make it and you get it to flow. when you're cutting and editing.
Mm-hmm.
Make it look like it's seamless and then just rolls together. You know what I mean?
That's all just editing.
And that's what takes all the time.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for joining us. It was nice having my father out with me while I did a little camp cooking. Made the Thai peanut chicken. If you like the video, like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. That way you'll be notified whenever we have new videos come up. And have a good day.
Hit that thumbs up button.
Oh yeah, don't forget to like it.